Hi beauties, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Chanel. So in this video I wanted to review Amicole, and I think, you know, after wearing it for, let's see, June, July, August, September, about 3.5-4 months, I can give an honest review on how much I love this company and how much I love their lip pencil and lip gloss. So let's go. So I ordered Amicole back in the ending of actually May, and it's a new company that I didn't hear about before because I am a person, I love makeup and everything like that. I used to be a makeup artist back in the day, about like 15 years ago. I used to be a makeup artist, and you know, so I know all of the great companies and everything like that. So when I came across Amicole and I was seeing different reviews on Amicole, I wanted to give it a try, and I do have more things from that company that I want to try, but so far I must say this has been a great experience. The lip pencil mixed with the lip gloss, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Like, the consistency, I don't get those when I'm wearing these. I don't get the white, the little white stuff on the sides. You know what I'm talking about. I don't get that. And the pencil, it lasts so long. Like I work, I have 6.5 hours of work. Of course, because I'm eating and I'm drinking my coffee, you know, like it'll fade a bit, but for the most part, this lasts. It lasts a while, especially the lip pencil. Like, it stays on for a long time. Actually, I have on the lip pencil because I was just recording another video. So I have the lip pencil on with a different lip gloss, but I want to show you guys what it looks like with the Amicole lip gloss. Okay, so here's my lip. Don't have anything on it. Pencil. And I'm using the camera where I can see myself. It's not a mirror, so bear with me. Get the gist. Now I'm gonna go in with the Amicole lip oil, and this is the lip. Okay, it's a lip treatment oil. Okay, this one is the Bliss. Look at that. Look at it's so creamy. And then on top, I'm gonna go in with, what is the name of this? This one doesn't have a name. Maybe this is just the original. I'm not joking, guys. This one doesn't have a name, but it's a darker color. Maybe if I find it, I'm gonna put it in here. It just says Amicole. So maybe this is like the original. I gotta go check. But it's a darker, it's the darker color. It's like more chocolatey. Look at that. It's just, but yeah, I love these. Like, it's so creamy. And I had it for almost 4 months. And of course, I don't wear them every day. So why they're still here. I wear these to go to work, and I go out. Like when I'm really going out, not to like Target or anything like that. I wear more like my my other lip oils or lip gloss on top of the pencil, but I'm always wearing the pencil. I love the pencil. Okay, and I'm gonna go on their website and get some more. Anyways, Amicole, 10 out of 10. Go get you one. Oh, and I did get it straight from the website. So I saw it on Sephora, but I forgot why. I don't know if they didn't have the color that I wanted for the the lip oil, the gloss. So I went straight on the website and I ordered it, and it came very fast. Alright guys, so until the next video, remember to please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Later.